Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So guys, in this video I'd like to share you how to recolor this coloring book into this 3D and also beautiful look like this, or we can make it to the recoloring and make it more lively. How to create this transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Nano banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. So don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that you can click this try Nano banana, and after that you can start to put the image of the photo that has no color yet. And after that I will put the prompt into this section. So you can use your imagination with it, maybe about the changing color or use the specific color. So you can play with that. Okay, transform this black and white line art illustration back into the full color and also photorealistic image. And also, this image should depict two smiling elderly individuals like a grandfather and grandmother warmly interacting with two young children. And also, they are seated outdoors in a park or the garden setting with the green trees and also the natural lights. So the older man is wearing the striped shirt, and also the older woman is wearing the dark top, and the baby has a light color outfit and a small bow, and the toddler is wearing the striped top. And also the lighting is soft, natural, and emphasizing warmth and genuine emotion. So the overall image should be vibrant, lifelike family portrait. So you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. So guys, you can have the picture like this, but you can also have the possibility to get the different look, but it's totally different, but maybe about the look or maybe the color of this shirt and a little bit of the lighting side. So this will be the another result, and if you like it, then you can start to download it. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this tutorial, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.